There are many types of groups walking around the show floor at IMTS 2018. Bosses and staff, colleagues, friends, and even husband and wife teams. Like the one sitting next to me. This is Terry and Molly Keene, who are the co-owners of Tech Manufacturing Incorporated out of Spokane Valley, Washington. Now, Molly, you've been coming to IMTS for quite some time. Talk to us about your very first visit.
Well, the very first visit we'd gone to a small show in Oregon, and we kind of liked it, and so someone said, well, why don't you go to the show in Chicago? So we came to the show in Chicago, and I just loved it. And in fact, we had only signed up to do a couple of nights stay here, and so we hadn't had a chance to see everything that we wanted to see. So we went back to the hotel, and it's pouring rain outside, and everybody's worried about the weather. We didn't even care about the weather. We were having such a great time at the show. And we go back to the motel, and we asked if we could stay one more night, and they said, okay, sure. And there was this couple of girls next to us that were supposed to have reservations. I think we took their room because they said they had to put them up at some other place. But we loved it so much, so anyway. So we had a great time, and I've been addicted ever since. So
had such a great time the first time that you extended your stay, but since that first time, you've come back time and time again.
Every time.
Terry, what brings you back?
The opportunity to see different vendors, talk to people one-on-one about issues that you have, to delve deeper into the discussion. You can look at a magazine and get an idea of the technology that's out there, but when you are able to just sit down and talk to somebody, you can dig deeper, find more of the information that you need to solve your problems.
Well, problems need to be solved, products need to be purchased, machines need to be looked at and tooled. What specifically are you looking for at IMTS 2018, Molly?
Well, I think that one of the first things that we want to look at is a new piece of equipment. Some of ours is getting a little bit older, and we went to our Swiss Screw Machine product dealer, and we looked at their machines, and they are just so awesome. They do so many things that you can build a part, and it comes out done, and it's ready to go, and it's fascinating to watch those pieces of equipment make parts. It's just great.
All right. Terry, what have you experienced at your time here so far this year?
Well, one thing we were real excited about when we went to see Citizen is that they have this technology where it's called LFV, I believe, that changes the behavior of the servo on the Z1 axis to control the chips that are produced when you machine a part. Stainless steel and plastic parts are can be difficult to machine because you end up with a bird nest around your part, and with this technology, the long stringy chips disappear and look more like cast iron.
Molly, what have you experienced so far?
One of the things I experienced was when we went into the tooling area. They have a robot there that can kind of interact with you, and it was just fun to do that. But as he says, you get such a nice one-on-one whenever you have a problem. You want to talk to somebody about tooling. You know, they can help you because they've got so many people there, and you go to different booths and whatnot, and they have suggestions as to how to do something, how to correct a problem. It's just great to be able to talk to people. So.
Well, to wrap it all up, Terry, why is it a really good idea for people to attend IMTS?
I guess I kind of touched on that before, is that it's a big investment in time, it's a big investment in dollars to come to the show, but you can see so much, solve so many problems, see solutions to problems that maybe you don't even have today, but when you experience them a year later, you've got a leg up on how to solve that issue.
Molly, what would you like to add to that?
Well, I think he pretty much said it all. It is fantastic because We come with certain ideas as what we want to look at and what we want to see, but we never stop going to just the people we want to see. We go all over the place because you can find so many ideas and so many things that you hadn't thought of, and then you go, there goes the light bulb, and goes, aha moment, and you go, so it's just fantastic to be here. And even if we went through it twice, I don't think we could see everything we wanted to see. So that's why we love coming here.
Well, you heard it from Terry and Molly Keene. If you are looking for some aha light bulb moments, you need to be sure to add IMTS to your every other year calendar. That was Terry and Molly Keene, the co-owners of Tech Manufacturing Incorporated.